Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu, where we can go back to older projects and create new ones. In the middle, almost at the top, there is a big new project button. If we tap on this, then it's going to open up the album in our phone, but we can go into stock videos and start creating from here. Let's say we want to add this video, and after we select it, we can just tap on add in the bottom right corner, and then start editing here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.